Hey guys, it's Kelechi here and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Infinix Hot 10T, the first smartphone in 2021 from Infinix to sport the Android version 11 out of the box. It is not an upgrade to any device in the Hot 10 series. It is more of a complementary device and it's considered to be better than the Infinix Hot 10 in ways I will be showing you in this video. So by the way, if you're new here to my channel and you're watching this video, I really appreciate the fact that you love my work. So please kindly reach out to the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget the bell icon for post notifications. Thank you so much. So let me unbox the device and share my thoughts with you. Opening the box, you have the smartphone with the key specs labeled. Next is the SIM ejection pin, the X-Pack leaflet, the screen protector film, a hard plastic case for the device, and then you have the earpiece, the micro USB cable and the charging brick. And that's what you get inside the box. I strongly believe that this device will definitely set a new standard in the Hot series of the Infinix overall. So this is beautiful to look and also to have. I find this color option more appealing than the black. And it goes for 65,000 Naira or $171. That's a 10,000 Naira difference from the Oppo A15s, having similar design for their camera layout. They are both 4 gigs of RAM, the Oppo A15s and the Infinix Hot 10T. So what do you think? Please drop a comment if you're looking forward to a comparison of both devices. On the right side of the Hot 10T, you have the volume rocker and the power button. At the bottom, you have the speaker grill, the micro USB port for charging, the microphone for calls, and the 3.5 earphone port. On the left is a slot for 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. Then behind you have the triple camera lens of 48 megapixel lens with the quad LED flashlight, the fingerprint and the Infinix branding. This phone is made of solid plastic, actually a polycarbonate material. On the front you have a 6.82 inches ultra smooth display. That's what Infinix described it, but it is an IPS LCD panel with 16 million colors. The display is very good, not really causing any pains to your eye. You have a massive display that delivers up to 1080p resolution to your YouTube videos, and it has a screen resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, having noticeable bezels below and the water drop notch housing the selfie camera. The screen refreshes at 90 Hz, and yes, you can switch to 60 Hz for longer battery life. And when you swipe down the screen, you have other tons of options and mode to switch to. But I am particular about the processing power here on the Infinix Hot 10T, especially gaming. So to have a smooth gaming experience, switch to the 90Hz screen refresh for smooth gameplay. This phone supports the Helio G70 processor for gaming and high performance. So this is where the ultra smooth display comes into action. And yes, you do have a smooth touching sampling and it's coupled with 4 gigs of RAM available here. You also have the Dar-Link Ultimate Game Booster responsible for smooth gaming experience. And even when scrolling through apps, it's very responsive and shows no lags at all. App switching on the Infinix Hot 10T is also fast. When it comes to the Fingerprint Unlock performance, it is okay and also fast enough. A side-by-side comparison with the Oppo A15s, the Hot 10T responds faster than the Oppo A15s. Yes, it unlocks faster than the Oppo. So what do you think, guys? Onto the camera performance of this phone, you have different features available. It's a 48 megapixel main camera lens, a 2 megapixel depth camera lens and the AI scene detection lens. The quality is really impressive and you can easily spot and define every detail in its images. And this is one major difference the Hot 10T poses in the Hot series of Infinix. Colors are defined accurately and the contrast level is okay. In video recording, you can shoot at 720p, 1080p and also 2K resolution respectively. All three have different image qualities, but I prefer the 2K and also the 1080p for decent clarity. Okay, so this is what you get, guys. This is what it looks like, the front facing camera of the Infinix Hot 10T. It struggles a bit with the exposure, but overall quality for me is decent. It shoots 2K, 1080p and also 720. I'm actually shooting in 2K mode. So what do you think of the sound and the picture quality coming out from the Infinix Hot 10T? Do let me know what you think in the comments below. The front is an 8 megapixel camera lens, which is really not so impressive, but decent enough for social media content. At 65,000 naira, it's acceptable and a good value for money. You have a 48 megapixel camera lens to compensate your camera desires, and also a processor that is efficient for gaming and daily performances. The 6.82 inches display is a good option to make you choose the Infinix Hot 10T, or maybe the 5000 mAh battery capacity that is also very impressive. But overall performance for me, this is a good device, a good gaming phone if you're on a budget. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Would you love to see a side-by-side comparison with the Oppo A15s or any device of choice? Please drop a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.